What is HTML? HTML is the abbreviation for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a text-based code that defines web pages' basic structure and content. Web browsers use HTML to display text, images, and other media types. So how does HTML work? HTML uses tags to position elements in a document. For example, the head, title, body, and footer tags define the structure of a web page. HTML elements are not case sensitive. This means they can be written in uppercase, lowercase, or a mix of both. HTML is often used with other technologies such as cascading style sheets, CSS, PHP, which is hypertext preprocessor, and JavaScript. What is HTML used for? HTML is used to structure content like paragraphs, lists, images, and data tables. It can also be used to embed images, videos, and other multimedia into web pages. HTML is the foundation of the World Wide Web, allowing users to link web pages together and many more. If you have watched this video to this point, I would like to introduce myself to you in case you are coming across this channel for the first time. My name is Augustus from Octadev. I will be guiding you through this full HTML course on how to create awesome web pages using HTML. So let's get started. And please remember to get all the info and not miss out in the lesson. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. To continue learning HTML, you will need any of the following text editor. For those on Windows, you can use the Notepad. For those on MacBook, you can use the text edit. You can also go to code.visualstudio.com to download the Visual Studio Code. On this website, you will select the version depending on your device type. You have for Mac, you have for Windows, and you have for Linux. So this is MacBook. I already have the app on my system. Okay, so but this is where you can download yours. Once you're on this website here, you can download according to your device type. One of the good things about Visual Studio Code is that it gives you a lot of flexibilities and allows the installation of extensions that can make your coding very much easier. But I would always like to suggest using text editor like Notepad, as it does not give you suggestions while you are typing. So it is a hard way to learn, or it is learning the hard way, which will help you to memorize most, if not all, of the HTML tags and elements and how to input them in your text editor. All right. So using text editors like Visual Studio Code will give you suggestions as you type, and also autocomplete some of the tags you'll be using for most programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C#, PHP, and the rest of them, including the HTML which you are about to learn. However, those on Windows, you can also try Notepad++. Yes, you can download Notepad++ on your device and then use it to write your HTML. For those on mobile who are seeing this video on mobile and don't have PC or not close to their PC at the moment, but might want to try some of the codes I'll be showing you in this course, you can visit website like jsfido.net. jsfido.net can help you to write a code here. As you can see, you have the HTML, You can also switch to HTML5 if you want, or you leave it this way and input. Even if you input HTML5 here, it is going to run. So when you are done typing your code here, you can go on and click on the run here. All right. When you click on the run here, the result is going to output here. You can also collaborate with others. You can also save your code in the cloud and access it through a link. All right. You can save your code here and then send the link to someone you want to assist, and they will have access to the raw or to the source code. So you can use Notepad, you can use Notepad++, you can use Text Edit, you can use Visual Studio, you can also use JS Fido online. Okay, so if you have Notepad on your PC, you do not require internet connection. If you have Visual Studio downloaded already, just like mine here, you also do not require internet connection. If you have the Notepad++, you also do not require internet connection. But if you would like to make use of an online editor like jsfido.net, you will need to have an internet connection to access this website, and then write your code here and run it to get the preview. So this is it about code editor. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using the Visual Studio Code, and I would recommend you use the same so that you don't find it difficult following the steps I will be showing you in this course. Thank you.